Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. I want to talk to you about how I made $400 in one day, and how you can go to our Facebook, which is the hottest Facebook group. And the reason I say that is because it's like a hive, you know what I'm saying? When you think of a hive, what do you think of? You think of a beehive. Now that is the most active, incredible, in and out. These bees work hard and they're busy, and they're always flittering in and out of the hive, right? So that's why we call it a hive, and that's what we think of busy as a bee, you know. Well, our Facebook group is hot because of that. It is absolutely a hive of activity. And you know, honestly, money talks, and it's all about people joining and looking and seeing everybody making money, and then it's spelled out exactly what you do to do that. So it's just incredibly wonderful because of, you know, I'm serious about the money and what we're doing. And well, there goes our birds. Anyway, this hive of activity is so rich and so good, and it helps you make money because money talks. And let's face it, people need it, right? It doesn't matter if it's a hive of activity, nobody's making any money, right? I mean, that's what you're here for. That's what you're looking for. This is your family. You depend on it. So no, we're not joking. This is real. This is incredible hive of activity, and I'm going to tell you in a second how you can. All right, let's talk about how we're going to get you into that Facebook group. Very simple. And what you want to do right now is pause it, get a paper and pen so you can write it down so you don't forget. Just a few simple steps, and then start it back up. And let's go. You want to get in this hive of money-making activity, and the first step to get into that is to go to my description. You will see I have my Facebook page on there. Click on it, click add friend, and then message me the word hive. Very important you do that, because if you don't message me the word hive, you'll be in all those other messages and I won't be able to find you. So you definitely want to do that. Very important. So write that down. And then step 2, once you do that, I will message you back that I've added you to the group and that you are to accept your invite to our group. So it's pretty simple. Once you do that, I'm going to tag you so that I know you're in. Let me know, and I'm going to tag you to where you need to go to get info. There'll be a little announcement info where it tells you all about the group, all about the program, really, all about the business. So you want that. And then you're going to see all kind of payments and people and welcoming, and the fact, you know, you're going to see all that incredible activity, of course, and that is the whole point. And so anyway, let's just recap. You go to my Facebook link, click on it, add me as a friend, and then message me, hive, 4 letters, hive. Then you wait for my message that I've added you to the group. Once I've done that, then you can go in there. I will tag you, but you have to accept the invitation, and then I will tag you, and then you know where to go in the group, and you can learn all about it and enjoy. Now, the second thing you want to do after you get in the Facebook group, there's really 2 steps. You get in the Facebook Facebook group and you like what you see, of course you're going to want to join us, and you want to go to my website, seethisnow.biz, and opt in, and inside lays out the rest of the program. There's a link for joining and everything you need, so you definitely want to go there and do that. And I really appreciate you watching my video and learning about how I earned $400 in one day and continue to earn, and have earned over $2,100 in 7 weeks. And I'm actually going to add at the end of the video a proof picture so you can see that for yourself. And okay, what do you expect once you get inside our Facebook group? Number one, you're going to see where I have tagged you. It says start here after your name. That's where you're going to read the info that tells you more. Okay. Number two is you're going to see a lot of people posting payment notifications that they get when get paid, when then and that is very incredible and awesome, and what we want to see, right? Because I just posted mine and I just got another $100, and so how fun is that? Relaxing and drinking my water, hydrating. So that is what's very special about our group. People are getting paid and they're posting it in the group. You're going to see lots of that, which is very exciting. It's always fun to be part of a group that's moving forward in a big way. My sweet birds. It's very fun to move forward with a group like this. There's so much going on. People are getting paid. It's very exciting. And so you're going to love that. Then you're going to see all these people that are being welcomed into the group, because everybody wants to see what's going on, you know. Everybody wants to get inside. They want to see what's going on, want to read the info on the business, and so there you are. It's simple, easy, and it's lucrative and pays the bills, right? And I love it, and that's what you're going to see inside our group. So you definitely want to enjoy that, soak all of that up, all of the consistently earning people inside. What else? And you know, it's success. What is it? Can find that word. All the success people are having, earning money, doing these things that we're asked to do, and it's simple. So I really love it. I'm glad to give you this information so you can get inside and see for yourself, because it's an exceptional group. You don't find a hive like that, a very busy, lucrative, money-making hive. I'm telling you what. And of course, once you get in there, you're going to love all that. You're going to just, oh wow, how's that possible? But then you're going to want to check it out some more, because you're going to want to be able to join as well. So you want to go to my website, seethisnow.biz. It is also in the description. And just get inside, and it lays it out very nicely as well. So I just appreciate you stopping by my channel. Subscribe and like my video, and thanks. Bye from Alaska.